explorers, and welcome to another weekend getaway in Dinokeng Game Reserve. So we chose our spot this time and we are staying in Eagle Owl. Let's show you the inside.
Hello guys, welcome. This unit is absolutely awesome, very nice, very modern. As you guys can see here, there's a nice kitchen here, a fridge and a gas stove to prepare your meals. There's even a microwave over there. And here's an awesome queen size bed to get your beauty sleep in, a cupboard to put your clothes, and a nice couch to just relax. But here at the back it's even better. As you guys can see, it's just a toilet over here, and then there's a double sink that's well catered for couples. But I think the best part is here. As you guys can see, there's a double shower here. So this is definitely a place focused on the couples. And then you have this awesome bath where you can sit and just look at the amazing view outside. And then for the adventurous couples, there's an outdoor shower where you can take a shower underneath the stars. How cool is that? This place is very well thought out. It's the newest unit that they built here. This place is really, really nice. But outside here, there's a nice table to have your lunches or dinners at, a place to make a boma, a fire and braai your meat. Skippy, are you relaxing already?
It's amazing. And if you guys are interested in this beautiful, perfect, tranquil Bushveld Getaway close to Pretoria or Gauteng, send them an email. The link will be in the description. They have a website, or you can book on Lekker Slow.
Yeah, this place is super cool. As you can see, the animals have been walking around outside here. So if you chill here in the pool, you might see some animals, get some visitors. We can't wait to spend the weekend here.
Okay, so you want a quick dip. It is scorching hot over here in Dinokeng Game Reserve. So we're on our way to the meeting point. We are going on a game drive.
You need to see these males and females mixed. Normally it's one male with a lot of females.
When you book a game drive through our spot, they will always try and take you to the best sightings. And they also take along refreshments and snacks for a picnic. In our case, it was a sunset picnic. The view was amazing. We just got back from our game drive. That was absolutely epic. So I just started the fire so we can braai our dinner tonight. Skippy's inside making a salad. She said she has a big surprise for me tomorrow, so stay tuned so we can all find out what that is.
One eternity later.
Good morning. We had a very nice slow morning. We had some coffee and we had a nice brunch. Skippy said she's going to start preparing our side for our dinner tonight. I'm just sitting outside here watching the birds at the bird feeder.
So on tonight's menu we have plankie braai and potato salad. And if you want to see how MasterChef by Joe prepared that plankie braai, click on the pop-up banner in the right top corner and it will show you step by step. But today I'm preparing our famous, our delicious potato salad. And if you have a traditional favorite dish that you want to share with us, comment down below and we might try it in one of our videos in the future. So let's start. What you would need for the potato salad: a bowl for the potato salad, spring onion, mayonnaise, condensed milk, mixing bowl, 3 massive potatoes, salt and pepper, and bacon. So let's start cooking. Good looking. Boil the potatoes. Grill the bacon. Cut the potatoes in pieces. Mix everything together, put it in the fridge, leave it there for 2 to 3 hours, and it is best served chilled. So, you wanted to know what is the surprise. So, I surprised Yuan with a 1-hour couples full body massage right here in the middle of the Bushveld on our own porch. And this is for happy birthday, happy anniversary, and Merry Christmas.
Wow, that was definitely not what I expected. What better way to end off a relaxing session like that than with a dip in the pool. You can see there behind me the fire is going nicely for our plankie braai later. We're just gonna chill here in the pool for a bit.
Our spot is one of the most amazing hidden gems right here in Dinokeng Game Reserve. We booked our massages and our game drive through our spot itself. And Dinokeng is only 45 minutes drive from Pretoria. It is 100 Rand per person and 50 Rand per vehicle conservation fee as you enter. If you want to come as a day visitor, do it, book yourself a game drive, and even go and eat lunch at one of the restaurants like the one we visited on Friday afternoon.
Okay guys, so it's time to give my opinion and my review about this place. As you guys can see, there's a fan there in the ceiling. But the only thing is, if you're a person like me that gets very hot easily, maybe just bring your own fan, as it can get quite hot in the night. I would definitely rate this place a 9 out of 10. Guys, thank you so much for joining us on an awesome Bushveld weekend getaway. And remember guys,
Explore more!